This 5-minute solution will show you how to link EA to Twitch account. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to link your EA account with your Twitch account. Open your browser and type ea.com, and then you will jump into this Electronic Arts websites. Once you are here, make sure to sign into your EA account. Then click on your profile and click on account settings. Once you are here, scroll down and click on connections. And here, scroll down and you will get Twitch. So to connect EA with Twitch, click on link. And now you have to enter here your Twitch account username and password. Then click on login. And now you have to verify your Twitch account email address. So enter here the verification code. After email verification, click on authorize. And finally, click on link accounts. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully connected my EA account with Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.